thanks for tuning in for another vlog. Today is Thursday, and if you couldn't tell, I mean obviously you can't tell, but I don't have like my usual setup because I switched rooms, guys. I was in this smaller room that had like a super nice balcony, but I switched to a bigger room that has its own bathroom, and I still have a balcony, so I'm like super happy right now. This is my, I think, second or third sleep in this room, so it's like brand new. I would show you it, but like I have so much stuff on the ground. I didn't realize how much stuff I fit into that tiny little room. I mean, you guys saw I was freaking cramped, but now I have like space to like walk around, and it just feels like a breath of fresh air. Honestly, I'm so happy that I did it. The reason that I switched was because my lease was up, and I love my roommates. I didn't really want to leave them. I love the area that I live, so I didn't really want to move away, and this room became available, and I was like, you know, the prices are basically the same. Let me just switch over and get my own bathroom. So I have all my stuff all over the floor. I still have to organize it, but I'm very happy that I made the switch. Today is like a super chill day. I have to like, basically I've just been moving, so I've missed so many emails and I need to catch up on stuff. I have like no photos to post on Instagram. I just have a lot to catch up on, so that's what I'm doing today. And then later today I have this super fun event that I'm going to with my friend. It's at the Lux, sorry, I don't know why I can't hold the phone. It's at the Lux Hotel, and we're supposed to do like some Pilates class, and they're gonna have like some fashion show by the pool and like different vendors and stuff, so it should be really fun. But I've already slept in later than I wanted to. I guess I didn't set my alarm. I'm about to start getting ready for the day and like trying to organize stuff and catch up on work. But yeah, be sure to subscribe and like this video, and let's just let me stop talking because I've already been talking for too long. Excuse the frizz. I haven't really gotten ready for the day yet, but it's like 3. I got a bunch of work done. I'm really happy about it. I had some like emails and stuff that I just sent. I still have more emails to get through. Like I missed so many. They just constantly come in, but I just sent a Instagram caption for this reel I made for sexy hair. They have like this new hair oil that I like used and like tried out on my curls, so it worked pretty well. So I had to send them my caption, and then they needed my phone number for like processing and stuff. Then something like more fun was I got to plan out a bunch of like photos that I want to take, so I just have this like huge list, and that's like not even all the photos that I want to take, but those are just all the photos I want to take against a white wall, which I now have a huge white wall to shoot against, and I'm so happy. I think the event, my friend and I are gonna leave around 5, so oops, sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling. Anyways, my friend and I are gonna leave around 5. It won't take me too long to get ready because I'm just gonna wear a yoga set because we're doing the Pilates. And I think for the next like hour, I'm gonna try and tackle my room. At least some organization, because I just have so much stuff on the ground. A lot of the stuff that is on the ground, I was like, had hanging on the walls. I had so many like holes that I had to patch up in the other room because I just like to hang stuff up. So I think I'm gonna go through that and probably like try and put stuff in the closet. I actually have a legit closet now, which is so nice. And then maybe like all the stuff in my bathroom. It's just like things that didn't have a place before in my other room because it was so small. I can now find a place for it. I just have to decide where I want to put it, that I'll like remember where it's at, like cleaning supplies or like blow dryers and straighteners and stuff. I can finally like put under the sink. So yeah, I'm good. Today's been pretty chill. My friend and I also were watching some of The Bachelorette, and it was so dramatic, but it was good. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna, maybe I'll change and fix up my hair a little bit. I had a photo shoot yesterday, so I did my hair, and I'm kind of happy with how it turned out, besides this like normal level of frizz that I can just fix up later. But the photo shoot was really well. I had another one with Love Your Melon. It was for like this I think it's like back to school stuff because we really just shot like hats with like a bunch of different college names on it. And I told them that I could not shoot in anything Michigan. Are you kidding me? All my Ohio State people would disown me. Thankfully, he only had one and he was like totally fine with that. So, but yeah, the shoot was really good. I don't know. I'm just talking now. I miss talking to you guys. Yeah, let me stop wasting time and tackle this room. I would show you, but it literally is so messy. I can't. Like, I'm embarrassed. So let me tackle that. You can see a little bit of the mess. This is like mostly good setup, very similar to how I had it before. And then like down here is like crazy, but I still have that closet, which is so nice. Anyways, I just put on like my little yoga outfit that I'm wearing to the thing because it's a little easier to clean and something I can move in. But this is just from Girlfriend Collective, but I got it at Shop Mooks. In the description, I have a discount for you guys to get 25% off everything on their website if you're interested. But I really love this set. It was made by the same people that made Lululemon, so very similar quality, just like way less expensive. And I love this dark green color and it's so comfortable. Anyways, this is that, and you guys get a little sneak preview of my room. And then the closet. Please ignore this. This is a lot of stuff. But the closet is making me so happy. It's all color coordinated. This is the best part. You guys know I love my jackets. And then there's space here that I still have to fill. And like more coats because I literally have too freaking many. Anyways, that's all the preview that you're getting. I mean, you mostly saw everything besides what's down here is just a mess. Okay, I guess I'll show you guys this. This is still here. I'm literally like going through it. And then I still get my balcony. Obviously not as much space as before, but you know, I'm glad I still have it because I love just being able to step outside for a little bit just to get a little bit of sunshine. Anyways, time to stop messing around. So my bathroom is mostly organized. Look how big it is. Oh my gosh, I love. My favorite part is that it has 2 shower heads. This I'm still deciding if I like because it fit on my other one because it was like, you know, like a hanging thing. Still figuring that out. I have a lot of products. So that was in my old bathroom. I had 2 bath mats. I need to wash that. And then there's 2 sinks because it's a master. I'm very happy. So I still have to get like cute stuff for that side. This was all from the old bathroom. So I'm kind of like in that vibe. I kind of want to replicate it. But then it's like, if I move out and I only have 1 sink in the new place, do I even need to buy more stuff? I don't. So I'm gonna hold off on that. But I have like things organized down here. I still need to get like better organization for that stuff. And then this one's like cleaning products and like hair tools and toilet paper. So that one is stuffed to the brim. But I'm very happy with how it's coming out. So that's basically all I've done is clean the bathroom. Ew, I need to clean that mirror. I'll do that later. Because right now I am getting ready to go to the event, so I'm putting on makeup. So yeah. Oh my gosh, my hair. I obviously don't want to put on too much makeup because we're gonna be working out. So I'm just gonna put on this NYX Bear With Me tinted skin veil. It's been my favorite for years. Love this stuff so much. And then underneath it, I'm wearing, because it's not like super coverage, but I kind of want just like my veins and stuff, you know, my veins. And then underneath, I have this Thrive Cosmetics Filtered Effects Blurring Primer. And I feel like this really helps make the skin veil look more like a foundation, even though it's like lighter coverage. So that is currently where I'm at with my makeup. I'm really just gonna put that on, do my brows, do some mascara, and maybe some faux freckles and call it a day. I mean, I do have some freckles. I just wish that these look like that. Oh, I guess you can kind of see them. I do have some freckles, but when I put on makeup, I like cover them up. So I like to like put them back. I'm about to continue putting my makeup on because it is 4:30 and we're trying to leave around 5. So yeah. So I'm done getting ready. This is my makeup look, if you can see. I really need to clean these mirrors. So I just did some flyaways and then like a low half up, half down. Very simple makeup, but I really like. Like these are my favorite makeup looks. And then this, I'm not sure what shoes I'm gonna wear. I'm thinking sneakers because my toes aren't done. I'm gonna have to buy freaking special shoes to use these reformers, so, or socks. I don't really know. I'll find out when I get there. But anyways, it's literally a minute before we said we're supposed to leave, so I just want to show you guys my makeup look, and we're about to go.
Where's your partner?
I have a new partner.
Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. I don't like wasting my time, I don't like risking it all. Too busy handling mine, too independent to fall.
Oh my gosh, we just finished. It was so hard. Oh, I'm talking about my YouTube video. It was so hard. My legs are shaking. Look at these cars.
Now all I do is think about you. Every night lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind. And you know that's why I fuck with you. And all the lines that I done drawn, you've been erasing. Never usually the one who wanna save them. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. But I fuck with you. And all the moves that I done said, you got me breaking. Wanted you to be my mama, that shit crazy. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. Look at you making me smile. You got me answering texts. You could be head in the game.
Maybe because I'm laughing. That makes it worse.
Maybe.
Oh my gosh. This is so crazy.
I love you.
Hi, friends on the interwebs.
And the
This is the new way to get abs.
Look at her belly. So
You
steely.
see my leg contract?
No.
Wait, watch it. Okay, so that ab thing was so intense. She only had me at like 15% out of like 100, and I was dying. It was so hard. Oh, we might have just missed the fashion show. Oh my gosh.
Amazing. That was incredible.
She had a ring of fire.
And now
And if you keep the pace, you can make it on the gram. I never done it to keep it honey.
So we couldn't find out how to get in the fashion show, but it wasn't that great. The girls were so cute though, very cute, but we just were like locked out. So we're gonna go back to the booths and like get more free stuff. We've gotten so much free stuff. It's been a blast. Bro, don't we both need to find boyfriends?
I need to find me
Ooh, okay.
Find me a Porsche daddy.
Now all I do is think about you. Every night lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind. And you know that's why I fuck with you. And all the lines that I done drawn, you've been erasing. Never usually the one who wanna save them.
Oh my gosh, the doors. Let me go around this side. No, I'm gonna go on that side. I'm so nervous. I look like a race car driver.
That's me in a butterfly.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is so cool. You know, just casually in my car. Oh, take a photo, take a photo. Is it? It's very pretty.
He doesn't have the butterfly though. I get it.
It's so close. Oh, why thank you, sir.
It's like, oh, that's so funny.
I should have had my nails done.
Hello.
That's my business.
Get off my car! Okay. Oh, I was filming. So we're in the car, and this guy's taking photos of this girl in the car. I don't think she knows that we're in the car, but I hope that we're in the photo. Gang, gang. Okay, work it, girl. With the she on my work it with the green. Okay.
I feel like we need to get out.
Okay, but look how cool this car is.
I know.
Such a vibe.
Take out.
Oh my gosh! Hey, she's smaller than me. Oh my gosh.
Want to get on this one?
Too much orange for my feet.
Yeah, not for your feet.
Let me go around this other side so I don't have to close the door. We're getting in the last car. What? I want to win. You can't just give it to us. This car, oh, let me turn the radio down. This car is giving us a massage right now. It's literally massaging our backs. This has been great. Oh, is he taking a photo of me? I don't know if he's taking a photo of me or the car.
you, baby, 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 yeah. But I fuck with you, and all the rules that I didn't say you got me breaking. Funny, you to me, my mama, that shit crazy. Never thought that I'd be here calling.
We're leaving because they turned the lights off on us. Honestly, I think it's supposed to be going on for another hour, but... Oh, where's our shuttle man? I don't want to walk down.
Especially with my new ass.
You're funny. Oh my gosh, those lights are bright. Yeah, maybe these people are waiting for the shuttle. Look at your cute little shadow.
Baby, baby, got me in my feelings, acting crazy, but I'm sober. Friends that hit me up, they be like, who this? I don't know. I don't really care that cause it kisses taste like summer. All I really want.
So it's like 11 o'clock. I was eating food. I got beef fried rice from this really good restaurant near me. And then my roommate she hadn't seen the end of the Bachelor episode that we just watched. So we rewatched that. But I'm so tired. Honestly, the event was so much fun. I mean, not that much happened. I feel like a lot happened, but I feel like my friend and I made it very fun, even though it wasn't like a super crazy event. But yeah, it was good. I'm so tired now. Just took my makeup off. I'm about to wash my face and hop in the bed. But thanks for watching my vlog, guys. It's been such a good day. And yeah, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.
Never usually the one who wanna save 'em. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby,